Good morning, welcome to my channel. Right, today I'm going to do some more work on the doors. I need to install a door lock on the passenger side of the car. But first, I had a special delivery last night. Ripped it open, pulled out this box, gave it a shake, and there was no tag. This is a gift from my Amazon wish list, which I added to my description because Jamie suggested it. He wanted to get me something. Thanks, Jamie. But I got this last night, and there's no note at all. I have no idea who this came from. Some generous soul out there decided I needed another part. So what did I get? Oh my goodness! Look at that. Oh, you're still here? Right, okay, what did I get then? I got a shiny thing. This is really cool actually. I needed a coolant expansion tank. Okay, so I thought I'll add it to my wish list and see if someone see if some kind person buys it for me, and you did. So whoever it was, thank you very much. So let me show you this. I need to give it a polish first. Got it dirty already with my grubby hands. So this will sit possibly near my radiator, and it's got a pipe coming in which possibly goes up about that high. So it'll fill the tank up to about there, and then if the tank overflows, if it goes higher than that pipe, then it'll come out this pipe at the bottom. And it's got a nice little cap at the top. It's just nice. I mean, it wasn't hugely expensive. I'll put the link if anyone's interested. Actually, I won't do that until I fit it and make sure it works. But isn't that nice? So, anonymous donator, thank you very much. I really appreciate this, and it's going to look really nice on my car. So if I've got time, I'll fit that today, but as I say, I'm doing the doors. So let me show you what we're up to today. So let's see what we have so far. We have a big hole. I have no idea why, but someone cut out the lock. I guess it was just sealed. I have no idea. Why would you do that? Bad people. Anyway, I have another lock. It's similar to the one on the other side. The door handle goes in that hole there. So the door handle goes through there. So I need to make a plate, drill a nice hole for the door handle. Hold on, wasps attacking me again. This goes in the inside. This goes in there. Door handle goes through the door and into that hole there. So I need to attach that somehow. So that's the plan. And also today I want to try and install an interior handle so that I can open the door from the inside and I don't have to keep sticking my arm out the window, or the big hole where the window's meant to be. So let us have a closer look at that and fabricate some steel. Right, before I can even start on this, I need to pretty much attach the top of the door to the bottom of the door. So I will clamp that there, weld that together. There's a crack up the top that I need to deal with as well. And then this will be properly connected to the bottom section. Once that's solid and it's still closing at the right place, I need to modify this corner like I did in the other door. Do a diagonal section from there to there, and then that will give me lots of room to put the door lock in. So let me quickly tack all that together. It's not going to look pretty, but don't care. Right, ugly fab work is done. It's alright, once I cover it in paint you'll never see it. And obviously I've modified the inside to give me plenty of space to fit the door lock. Also had to weld on that side because it was a bit floppy, but now it's quite rigid. Still got a lot of bracing to do in the inside, but we're getting there. Right, so door lock then. So this is my door lock, and I'm going to mount it roughly there. Marked a couple of spots there for the holes. I had to make these a little bit bigger for the bolts I'm going to use, which are these. So as I say, I'll drill a hole there, that gets bolted in the inside, and then I can work on the outside handle section. Well, that sucks. Oh, nuts. I need nuts. Nuts and washers acquired. Okay, now we can work on the handle hole. The handle hole. Okay, so now I just trace around this hole with a bit of card, with a hole in the middle for the handle. Transfer that over to a bit of steel, tack it in place, and we're good. There we go. That was easy. You know what? It doesn't even look that bad because the rest of the door's quite so horrific. Anyway. It works. I've still to put a collar in there. So that's still to do. Well, lots still to do, but the main thing is I've got a working handle and catch. The downside is I don't have a door jamb. Yay! I do have a door jamb, it's just not in the car. So I need to hunt for that. And that, my friends, sounds like a job for tomorrow. Right, this is Friday. I've got Saturday and Sunday to get stuck in and get these doors finished. So I need to find the door jamb, weld that in place, put in a strike plate for the door catch, and then somehow fabricate internal handles to actually unlock it from the inside. Fun and games. Right, thanks for watching today. Hope it helped some of you fabricobblers with how you might get past that horrible little problem of not actually having anywhere to install a door catch. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching again, and please subscribe.